Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use OneNote. OneNote is one of the best digital note-taking apps around. The reason why it is so popular and highly rated is because it can be used on any device. Whether you're using a Windows device, Android device, or an Apple device, your iPhone, MacBook, or anything with a Mac OS, you'll still be able to access OneNote. All you'll need to do is go onto onenote.com, and from there you'll be able to sign in with your account, or you can sign up creating an account and you'll be able to get started. Once you have signed up, you will be directed to one of these dashboards. Either you'll be redirected to a dashboard just like this or a dashboard just like this. With either option, I'll be showing you how to get started. For example, if you're on a dashboard like this, to go to a similar dashboard like this, if you want, you could simply go over to the top left hand corner, tap on the 9 dots. Then from there, you could tap on OneNote and it would redirect you to a dashboard just like this. But either way, all you'll need to do to create your first notebook is go over to the top left hand corner. From there, you could tap on My Notebook, then you could tap on Add Notebook, and you could enter the notebook name right here. So let's say, for example, I want to call this First Notes. So I'll type it in right there, then you'll tap on Create. And you can see it is creating the notebook. And it would be a similar step to create a notebook if you were on this dashboard. All you need to do is tap on the plus right where you see new, and from there you'll be able to create a new notebook. Once you have created your first notebook, it will be saved to OneDrive. As you can see right here, it is saving our first notebook. So just give it a few seconds. Meanwhile, it is being uploaded. And by the way, with OneNote or with OneDrive, your notes will be saved in the cloud, which is why it is easily accessible on any device. Once you have typed in the title of your notebook, as you can see right here, all you'll need to do now is tap on the blank section of the page and you'll be able to label the section. So you can label the section right here. The first section name will be test, and I'll tap on OK. After you have done that, you can add the title of the page. So let's say the first title will be YouTube videos. So I'm going to type in YouTube videos right here. After you have done that, you'll tap on enter. Once you have typed in the title, you'll now be able to add content to your page. So for example, you could type out whatever you want using your keyboard, or if you would like to insert a photo or video, you can do that by going over to the top left hand corner, tapping on insert, and you could tap on picture right here. Then from there, you could tap on from file, or you could choose to take a photo, or you can simply add a photo from online if you want. You can also tap on file, and from there you'll be able to insert different file attachments, as you can see right here. And if you would like to add a table, all you'll need to do is tap on table. Then from there you'll select the table size. So I'm going to be creating a 3x4 table, for example. You can see it right there, just to show you that it works. And I will also be inserting a photo, for example 6. So I'm going to be tapping on picture, then tap on from file. After you have done that, it will open up your file section, as you can see right here. So if I had any downloaded files, you would be able to see them right there, and I'll be able to add them. Another thing that you can also do is, if you wanted to add it from online, you could tap on picture right there, then tap on from online. Then it is going to open up another window and you'll be able to search on Bing. So you could simply type in whatever you want right here. So let's say, for example, I were to type in football, then tap on enter. Just give it a few seconds and you can see the different Creative Commons photos that I could use. And I can simply tap on the one that I would like to insert, then tap on insert, as you can see right here. Another thing that you could also do is, If you would like to upload a voice recording, you can do that by simply tapping on audio. Once you have tapped on audio, you'll be able to tap on record, and from there you'll be able to add your audio recording, as you can see right here, and you'll be able to test it and play it to see if it is up to your standard or liking. And if you would like to add another page, all you'll need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner, tap on add page, and from there you can add a second or third page if you want. And also, if you would like to add another section, you can do that. All you'll have to do is tap on add section. Then from there we can add a second section. So I'm going to be labeling this second, then tap on OK. So you can see the first section was test, then I'll have the second section right here, and I can tap on add page to add another page for this particular section. Once you're finished, by the way, if you'd like to add more notes, you can tap on notebook, then you could tap on add notebook, and you'll be able to add another notebook. Once I'm finished doing that, I can tap on my notebook right there, and it is going to redirect me to OneDrive, as you can see here. And if you wanted to delete the notebook, you can do that, or if you would like to share it with someone else, you can also do that. I'm going to be showing you how to do that. All you'll need to do is go over to the top right hand corner, and you're going to tap on share. Once you have tapped on share, you will see the option share entire notebook, or if you would like to copy link to notebook, you can do that. So if I were to tap on share entire notebook, it is going to pop up a small window. Just give it a few seconds to load up. Once that small window pops up, I will show you what to do next. From here, you could type in the person's name or email address that you would like to share it with. And you can also grant them extra access if you want. You will see anyone with the link can edit. You can tap right there. And if you like to only grant them access for a specific amount of days, you can do that. And you can also set a password. But these options are available only on the paid plan. So on the free plan, you will only have this option right here, which is to share it with anyone, and they have access to edit it. So you can do it right there. Once you are finished, you'll tap on send. Another thing that you can also do when it comes onto OneNote, if you would like to embed your notebook on a blog or so on, or your website, you can do that. To embed it, all you'll need to do is go over to the top left hand corner, tap on the three dots. Once you have tapped on the three dots, from here you could tap on OneDrive. Then just give it a few seconds to load up. Once OneDrive loads up, you will be redirected to this page. And from here, you're going to tap on Documents. After you have tapped on Documents, you are going to see the notes that you have created in OneNote. And you can simply select the note that you would like to embed. So you'll tap on the circle. Once it has been ticked, all you'll need to do now is tap on the three dots in line with the note name. Then you could tap on Embed, and you can see Embed First Notes. Remember, that was the title that I gave it in a blog or web page, and you can see it right here. All I would have to do is simply copy this code, and then I could paste it in my website if I wanted to embed it. Another thing that you could also do by tapping on the three dots right here, from here you can also rename the note if you want. So I could tap on rename, and I could change the name, as you can see right there. And if you would like to delete it, you can also delete it. And if you would like to move it to another section, you can do it right there. So there are numerous editing options that you have access to by simply tapping on the three dots once you go into OneDrive. And that's basically it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.